Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off accidental touch protection on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off accidental touch protection provides users with flexibility and control over their device touch sensitivity, allowing for a more tailored and optimal user experience based on individual needs. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, enter to the settings menu. After that, scroll a little bit and you can select display option here. Okay, so on this page, scroll down again and find out this option. And lastly, you can turn it off like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off accidental touch protection on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.